Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing good. So for today, we're gonna jump right into it, okay? We're doing another review. You guys know I love to review stuff, especially skin related things. You guys know I love skincare. I love foundations. I love the base. That's my favorite part of makeup, is doing the base. I feel like it just brings everything together. But today we're gonna be reviewing the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I wanna call it a foundation so bad, but it's not. It's a skin tint, okay? I love how all these brands are moving to the more your skin but better kind of vibe. Realistically, who wears full faces of makeup on a daily basis anymore? I'm not gonna raise my hand because I don't. That just, it does not happen, especially now with the reality that we live in and wearing masks and all that good stuff. So this is very practical. This is a great launch for Fenty. The Eaze Drop comes in 1.8 fluid ounces. This is the packaging. This is how it looks like. Looks just like this. And then when you open it up, this is how the actual bottle looks like, which I think is super duper cute. I love the shape. It's so innovative and different, and it's not glass. It's like that plasticky recycled material. So this is perfect for travel if you're even going anywhere. But I got the shade 20, and the claims of this tint is it's a light to medium coverage for all skin tones. It's supposed to blend and blur into instant perfection on your skin, and it's light as air. So let's just go ahead and put this on the skin. I did go ahead and moisturize using her Hydro Visor. It's upside down because I'm gonna get every little last drop of this before I open my new one. I love this stuff. You guys know I love this. I am not using primer because it doesn't say to use primer. So I'm just gonna use it the way they tell us to, which is prime or using your moisturizer and just putting this on. I'm gonna apply it with a brush. I'm just gonna use my Merit brush. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more so you can really see how it is on the skin. All right. Okay, so that's the shade Deep 20, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. Wow, it feels super duper light. Like, I mean super duper light. I'm gonna do half of my face so you guys can see how the coverage is. And it does come in 25 shades, so it's not like the 50 shades like her normal foundations do, like the matte one or the hydrating one. This one is supposed to be more of like it's a skin tint, so it's supposed to not be as full coverage as foundations, so the shades are a little bit more forgiving, which is why they came out with 25. I use the shade 420 in both foundations, so if you use 420, then the Deep 20 would be your favorite friend. This is supposed to be, what is this, warm with golden undertones. So for me, I like to look for golden undertones in my foundations. You guys watch me apply it. I have this on half of my face. You can clearly see this side, I don't have anything. Let me go ahead and clip my hair back first. So you can clearly see that I have it on this side of my face. This is how the face is looking. I feel like it's very skin-like, obviously. Definitely forgiving. It's not full coverage at all. I can still see my skin peeking through, but I feel like it's evened it out a little bit, and I just feel like it looks really good. This is the side that does not have anything on it, and this is the side that has the skin tint on it. So I'm pretty sure you guys can see a difference. This side is a lot more, you know, orange and whatever, has the different colors, and this is more evened out. So yeah, that's how it's looking. Now I will say this shade is not gonna work for me summertime because your girl gets orange, okay? So if I want to, I'm gonna have to go up a shade. I'll probably do the 21 or 22 even, but this is a good shade for me now. But once I go out and tan and be out in the sun all day, this is not gonna be my shade. But let me go ahead and apply it to the rest of my face, and yeah. Alright, so this is the skin tint on my entire face. I will say it definitely feels very, very light. I don't feel anything on my face. It feels like I just have moisturizer on like I did before I put this on. As you can see, the color is good. It matches me and it matches my chest, but I do like to have a little bit of color and bronzeness, which I will do with like bronzer and powder. But this is definitely one of those products that you just plop on and go. You could set it. I'm definitely gonna set it because I'm oily, okay? I don't know about y'all, but your girl has to set everything regardless of what it is. But I really like the way it looks. The finish is really, really nice. Definitely not full coverage at all. Light to medium coverage is correct when it comes to this product. But yeah, this is how the shade Deep 20 looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna speed it up, and then we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts on this. All right, you guys, I am finished with the face. You guys saw I just sped through it. This was a very quick everyday face for me. This is how everything looks. I'm gonna zoom you guys on in so you can really take a look at how my skin is looking. I think it looks really, really good. This is definitely, let me zoom you guys back out. It's so close, like, ah. Okay, so I really do like this a lot. I like the shade 20. It is a bit lighter, and you guys know for me, I prefer going up a shade rather than, you know, being the exact same shade or lighter. Because it's easier to maneuver something that's a bit darker than it is to maneuver something that's a little too light for you. But this is a perfect shade for me winter time. I probably am gonna go back and pick up a shade higher that's a little bit more reddish to give me a little bit more warmth, and I think it'll be a lot better for me when the summertime comes because it's starting to get a little bit more hot. It definitely feels very, very light. I don't feel like I have anything on my face right now. I just like the way it looks. It's very everyday friendly. If you are a girl that doesn't like the full coverage, you don't care for foundations, you don't care for all that stuff, you just want to even out your skin and give yourself a little blur and just a healthy look to your skin, this is definitely the way to go. And I think this was a very smart launch for Fenty because they have a matte foundation, they have a hydrating foundation, but they decided to give something for the girls that aren't really, you know, the glam, full coverage kind of person, you know? You guys want me to tell you the products I use, I'll also mention them down below. Obviously, I used the Skin Tint foundation. I used my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, which I haven't used this in forever, and I really, really like it. I need to start using it again. I went ahead and put bronzed with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I used my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Cashew. I love this stuff. Oh my god, this stuff is so good. And then I just put some mascara on. I used my Lancome mascara. I did some blush and highlight. And then for the lips, I just used a brown lip liner from ColourPop, and I also used the Fenty lip creams. What are these called? The Gloss Bomb cream. This is my first time trying it. I ordered 2 shades online, and oh my god, I love it. It's so pretty and juicy, and just like, I love this. This is gonna be my new favorite. And then I just set my face with some setting spray, and that's pretty much it. So this is my go-to everyday makeup, I guess you could say. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested in trying this. Let me know if you're feeling this launch. Definitely brands I think are starting to hop on the train of, okay, let me pull back a little bit, because glam isn't really what people want now. It's so crazy how makeup is changing and evolving as time goes, but I think this was a good one. But yeah, definitely let me know what you think about this new launch from Fenty. Comment down below if you're gonna try it or pick it up. Let me know what other reviews you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And oh, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe and click that notification bell down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.